Problem 8 is asking us to write the equation in rectangular form. And we are given the equation r equals 10 sine theta. So one of the things we could use to our advantage here is that we know r squared equals x squared plus y squared, and we're really, when I say in rectangular form, I'm trying to get rid of the sign and just write it in terms of xy. So this would be a way to do it. So that means that we would need to multiply each side by r so that we can balance the equation but also get it in terms of r squared. So that tells us that r squared is equal to 10r sine theta. And we also know, interestingly, that y equals r sine theta. So here where I have an r sine theta, I can plug in y. And here where I have an r squared, I can plug in x squared plus y squared and just bring down that 10. And this is my final equation for 8a. Moving on to 8b, I am given the equation r equals 6. Again, I can use the equation r squared equals x squared plus y squared. So what I would need to do here is square both sides. And so I get r squared equals 36, and where I have the r, I can plug in x squared plus y squared equals 36, and that is my final equation. And moving on to 8c, I am given the equation r equals 4 secant theta. Well, I know y equals r sine theta, x equals r sine theta, and r squared equals x squared plus y squared. I don't really have anything with secant in it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to turn that secant into 1 over cosine theta. And then I can multiply each side by cosine theta to get rid of my denominator. And I get r cosine theta equals 4. Well, r cosine theta is equal to x, so x equals 4 is my final equation.